Welcome to Rose Night Chinese class. Lesson 6. I can speak Chinese.
第6课，我会说汉语。
This video consists of 3 parts in total. The first part is new words. The second part is language points. And the last part is practice session. Now, let's go to the first part. Part 1. New words. There are 12 words in this lesson. Please read these words following along the audio.
妈妈，菜，字，汉字，做，说，读，写，会，好吃，很，怎么？
If you want to read them more times, you can repeat this part by yourself. Now, let's study these words one by one. Do you remember the meaning of mama you had learned in the last video?
妈妈，
A noun means mother.
菜，
A noun means dish, cuisine.
字，
A noun means character, word.
汉字，
A noun means Chinese character.
做，
A verb means to make, to produce. For example,
做菜，
to cook dishes.
说，
A verb means to speak, to say. For example, speaking Chinese language, you can say as
说汉语，读，
a verb means to read. For example,
读汉语，
read Chinese.
写，
A verb means to write. For example,
写汉字，
means to write a Chinese character.
会，
A modal verb means can, to be able to. In the picture, 2 people are communicating in Chinese. So you can say
他们会说汉语，
they can speak Chinese.
好吃，
An adjective means delicious, tasty.
怎么？
An interrogative pronoun means how, is used to ask the manner, reason, or nature, and so on. For example, if you don't know how to write this character, you can ask
这个字怎么写？很，
an adverb means very, quite. For example,
很好吃，
very delicious. Part 2. Language points. The first one is the modal verb
会，会，
is used before a verb indicating the acquisition of an ability through learning. The structure is to add the subject, then
会，
and finally the verb. For example, he can write Chinese characters. You can say
他会写汉字，
the negative form is created by putting
不
before.
会，
For example, I cannot speak Chinese. You can say
我不会说汉语
the interrogative form is to add
吗？
at the end of the sentence. The structure is on the screen. There are 2 examples. Please listen to them in the following audio.
你妈妈会写汉字吗？她会做菜吗？
By the way, you can try to answer these 2 questions with the affirmative form or the negative form of.
会，
The second one is sentences with an adjectival predicate. In this sentence structure, the adjective is used to describe the state of somebody or something, and it is usually placed after the adverb of degree.
很，
The structure is subject plus adverb of degree plus adjective. For example,
菜很好吃，
the dishes are very delicious.
我的汉语很好，
My Chinese is very good. The negative form uses
不
instead of the adverb of degree. The structure is shown on the screen. For example,
菜不好吃，
the dishes are not delicious.
他的汉语不好，
Her Chinese is not good. The last one is the interrogative pronoun
怎么？怎么？
is used before a verb and indicates asking the manner or an action. For example,
这个菜怎么做？
how to cook this dish.
你的汉语名字怎么读？
How to read your Chinese name. Let's do some exercise to consolidate the knowledge from this lesson. Part 3. Practice. The first practice is a listening exercise. You will hear 3 words. Please choose the correct picture according to what you have heard. You have 5 seconds to choose the answer.
1. 写汉字 2. 做菜 3. 读汉语
Okay, the time is up. Please check to see if your answer is correct or wrong. The text and the key are on the bottom of the screen. The second practice is a reading exercise. Read the dialogue and choose the appropriate picture. You have 15 seconds to finish this exercise. Okay, the time is up. Please check to see if your answer is correct or wrong. The key is on the upper right of the screen. This video is here. If you encounter difficulties in learning Chinese, please send us a private message, leave a message, or communicate with us through the contact information on the screen. And do not forget to like and favorite, and share. See you next time.